Hello everyone, we've come out with a report on the space exploration theme, and this is on back of the SpaceX IPO, the 1.7 trillion IPO which came the last week in the US markets. और ये IPO सिर्फ space related नहीं है, I think it is a combination of everything that is probably there. आज Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos बात कर रहे हैं data center space में डालने की, moon पे डालने की. They are trying their best in terms of probably ensuring that we probably go there in space or the moon over the next few years. And space travel will something be a new theme going forward. Having said that, I think ये जो पूरी theme है, इसके वजह से I think a lot of Indian stocks have also got impacted in a very, very positive manner. Let me share my screen and let me show you the latest report that we probably come out with on the space industrial stack. एक short and terse report है. I think we can finish this report in 4 or 5 minutes. The more important part is in this report is the entire perspective. आज जो Indian government भी और सरकार भी is trying to probably push through in terms of PLI to ensure probably that our space program remains on top of the world and we remain in the top 5 economies in the world, and we've been very, very successful in that in the last few years. But there are certain stocks which have got impacted quite significantly. Up MTAR में move देखिए, I think the kind of moves that have probably come through. Obviously, I think a large part of their income comes in from Bloom Energy, which has received a large part of their business as far as data centers, AI, the entire space tech is concerned. But other stocks like Bharat Defense as an example, Apollo Microsystem as an example, also probably did well. So in our opinion, again, I think space as the new frontier is something to be watched out for. ये stocks ने अच्छा खासा move already दे चुका है. I think these stocks have already pulled quite significantly. And this is a very, very interesting and a new theme. And maybe there are new and emerging players that keep on coming in as we speak over the next few quarters and next few years. For a more detailed reading of the report, follow us at MarketSmith.